Hello, in this video we're gonna check if INFINIX Hot 11S has a stereo speakers. So in order to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device. And first one is right here on the top of the screen. It's the phone call speaker. There's nothing on the top side. There's one speaker on the bottom side, nothing on the right side, nothing on the left side, and nothing on the back. So now let's play some music, and if the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. So the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's the button speaker and phone call speaker, and that means it's a stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.